Hello guys and welcome back to ANTARES. In today's video we're gonna talk about how to speed up your pen drive if it is really slow. Let's check this out. So here we have a pen drive inserted in our computer, and now we're gonna check the transfer speed of this pen drive. So as you can see, the speed is 21 MB to 25 MB second, which is quite slow. So how to speed this up? I'm gonna show you two ways. So let's begin. First, you need to select the pen drive. Right click on it, go to Properties, go to Hardware, select the USB drive, click again on Properties, and now click on Change Settings. Now go to Policies, and second option you have to choose here for better performance. Enable this, click OK. Right click again, eject it, and reinsert your pen drive. After reinserting, right click on it again, go to Format, and here you can see the NTFS file system. You have to keep it NTFS as default while formatting it, and once you begin formatting, it will change to NTFS, which increases your pen drive transfer speed. And this is the one way how you can do it. And the second way is very easy, by using CMD trick. If you don't want to lose data from your pen drive, you can use the second one. But if you don't have any data or any files in your pen drive, you can use the first one. So let's move on to the second one. But before, all you have to do here is just click on Start by setting this to NTFS. Don't you forget that. And now all you have to do is open CMD command prompt. And now copy and paste this code here. I'll give the code in description. You can see it from there and you can type in your PC. Okay? But make sure that this I must be replaced by the name of the drive which you have. You can add any other letter if you have on your pen drive. And now just hit enter. So as you can see, I have formatted it. It's saying that the drive is already NTFS. So as I have shown you that after formatting it will change to NTFS. So as we have already changed it, so now let's test the speed of our pen drive. So as you can see, the speed is really more. It's really faster now after changing it to NTFS file system. So both of these are really working fine. As you can see, the speed of my pen drive is gradually increased. That's it guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.